6 recipes for healthy bread to lose weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Want to shed those extra pounds without saying goodbye to your beloved treats? No worries, we've got your back. Introducing our amazing lineup of 6 healthy bread recipes designed to assist you on your weight loss adventures. These breads are carefully concocted to be sky-high in nutrients and low in calories, brimming with wholesome ingredients that'll leave you feeling satisfied. So go ahead and indulge in a guilt-free bread while staying true to your weight loss objectives. You won't have to sacrifice taste or enjoyment. Number 1. Pumpkin bread recipe, 150 calories. Pumpkin bread is a delightful and satisfying treat that can be enjoyed while on a weight loss journey. This healthy bread recipe is not only delicious, but also lower in calories compared to traditional bread recipes. Pumpkin is packed with nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it an excellent addition to a balanced diet. The specific ingredients you'll need for the pumpkin bread recipe are as follows. 1 3/4 cups whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup honey or maple syrup, 1 cup pumpkin puree, 1/4 cup unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Here's a simple process to make the pumpkin bread. Number 2. Carrot bread cake, 120 calories. Carrot bread cake is a delightful and nutritious option for those seeking a healthy bread recipe for weight loss. Packed with a natural sweetness and vibrant color of carrots, this recipe offers a delicious way to incorporate vegetables into your diet while satisfying your sweet tooth. Carrots are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a great addition to a balanced and wholesome bread. The specific ingredients you'll need for the carrot bread cake recipe are as follows. 1/2 cups whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/3 cup unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cups grated carrots, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts or pecans, optional. Here's a simple process to make the carrot bread cake. Number 3. Zucchini with walnut, 190 calories. Zucchini bread with walnuts is a nutritious and flavorful option for those seeking a healthy bread recipe for weight loss. Zucchini adds moisture and subtle sweetness to the bread while providing essential vitamins and minerals. Walnuts, on the other hand, contribute healthy fats, protein, and satisfying crunch. This recipe is a great way to incorporate vegetables and nuts into your diet while enjoying delicious bread. The specific ingredients you'll need for the zucchini bread with the walnut recipe are as follows. 1/2 cups whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/3 cup unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup grated zucchini, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts. Here's a simple process to make zucchini bread with walnut. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 for food recipe. Number 4. Beetroot with lemon, 190 calories. Beetroot bread with lemon is a unique and nutritious option for those seeking a healthy bread recipe for weight loss. Beetroot adds a vibrant color and a subtle sweetness to the bread, while also providing essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The addition of lemon zest adds a refreshing citrus flavors that complements the earthy taste of beetroots. This recipe allows you to enjoy the health benefits of beets deliciously and satisfyingly. The specific ingredients you'll need for the beetroot bread with the lemon recipe are as follows. 1/2 cups whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup grated beetroot, 1/2 cup unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, 2 tablespoons lemon zest, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup vegetable oil. Here's a simple process to make the beetroot bread with lemon. Number 5. Chocolate with banana, 190 calories. Chocolate banana is a delightful and healthier option for those seeking a delicious bread recipe for weight loss. This recipe combines the rich and indulgent flavor of chocolate with the natural sweetness of ripe bananas. Not only does it satisfy your sweet tooth, but it also provides the nutritional benefits of bananas, which are rich in potassium, fiber, and vitamins. This bread is a guilt-free treat that can be enjoyed as a snack or a light breakfast option. The specific ingredients you'll need for the chocolate banana recipe are as follows. 1/2 cups whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 ripe bananas mashed, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/4 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup dark chocolate chips. Here's a simple process to make chocolate banana bread. Number 6. Delicious blueberry banana bread, 190 calories. Delicious blueberry banana bread is a delightful and nutritious option for those seeking a flavorful bread recipe for weight loss. This recipe combines the natural sweetness of ripe bananas with a juicy burst of blueberries, creating a moist and satisfying bread that is lower in calories and packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Blueberries are known for their numerous health benefits, including supporting heart health and cognitive function. Enjoy a slice of this bread as a wholesome snack or as part of a balanced breakfast. The specific ingredients you'll need for the delicious banana bread recipe are as follows. 1/2 cups whole wheat flour, 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 ripe bananas mashed, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/4 cup plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup fresh or frozen blueberries. Here's a simple process to make the delicious blueberry banana bread. And that concludes our list of 6 recipes for healthy bread to lose weight. Do you happen to know any healthy bread to lose weight recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!